How to fix IPTV Smarters Pro authorization failed for above host error on Samsung Smart TV. In this video, I'll show you how to fix IPTV Smarters Pro authorization failed for above host error on Samsung Smart TV. So first thing you can do is to verify your IPTV login credentials. Make sure your username, password, and server URL are entered correctly. Watch out for extra spaces, typos, or incorrect characters. These are common causes of the error. If you're copying and pasting manually, retype the credentials to avoid hidden formatting issues. Second thing you can do is to check server URL format. The server URL should follow the format http://yourprovider.com:port. Ensure it sets the correct protocol and port number if required. Contact your IPTV provider to confirm that the correct URL if unsure. And lastly is to test your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can prevent proper authorization. Restart your router and ensure your TV is connected to a strong Wi-Fi signal or use Ethernet for better stability. And that is how you can basically fix IPTV Smarters Pro authorization failed for above host error on Samsung Smart TV.